Hello, everyone. Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna, an Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator, founder of Be the Change page, and your friend to take every Sunday the talk shows which we have been carrying on for 2 years. So I'm so grateful I'm here, and we had been following this Be the Change talk show. What was Be the Change talk show? Today I do not have guests. Today we are on the. I just came here to thank each one of you personally. B2C is closing down this first series of talk show because I think we've had more than 50 plus guests, and it has been a great journey. And I think everybody who had been here who were interested in their entrepreneurial stories, Be the Change has actually invited walks people from all the walks of life, like we have covered geographically, mentally, from different wellness spaces and different spaces. So it's now time for us to choose something different and new. So just wanted to come here personally and say thank you to each one of you who was present here. And I really wanted to thank the social media platforms like Facebook, Insta, which has always been supporting us to connect people from all over the world, from all the spaces and bases of the world. And that is what Be the Change talk show has been. It was a space to invite everybody to a different possibility, to invite the leader within you, so and a celebrity within you. So I hope these talk shows had were a contribution to you. And if you haven't heard them, you can go to the Be the Change YouTube link, which will be shared here in the chat. And there are all the episodes are there in it, and you can listen to them and wonder which episode might inspire you, as there had been amazing guests that we had, and I would really like to put few of them here. Like Abhishek, who joined us, said, "Being selfish is the greatest gift. Take care of yourself, and you will be taken care of. To have time for oneself is very much part for work." That was beautiful, isn't it? Like, if we willing to have time for oneself, we're gonna have time for everything, and that has been so true ever since I've had interviewed with him. And how I've moved further is amazing, and how Gunjan Amrit Kochar, she shared her breathing experiences with us, and how breath is life. And Susan Lazarta said, instead of asking what am I fearful of, ask what am I aware of. True caring is a willingness to be quiet. It is not about staying positive. It is about working with the universe. That was said by Susan Lazart on these talk shows. Sheetal, she's a counselor's main person. She said people don't need sympathy; they like to have joy. So people who are sick, they don't need sympathy of yours; they love joy. And Chintan Bakshi said consciousness is the need of the hour. And Sahiba said others will appreciate you when you appreciate yourself. So many like these. I think each guest was so beautiful, and I learned so much, so much. My world has melted so much, and I'm sure it did for you and everybody who was present every week with us. And I'm really, really, really just wanted to thank each one of you. And we will be coming soon back with, not back, probably forward, with another talk show, and we'll revamp and new topics, new spaces. So be tuned here for new surprises. We will be posting it very soon, and there is a challenge that we are putting here, that guess what our new talk show and platforms would be. And if you're interested, you can post your comments here, and you might get a surprise gift for it. And do share these talk shows with other people if you get inspired by them. And of course, more than 50 plus talk shows, every guest, everything has been beautiful. What will it take for you guys to choose on to be these talk shows? More programs coming in future, and also BTC has opened up new spaces and places with their new upcoming programs of rituals. If you are having, you want to be rich, and you want to survive, and you want to really create big in this life, we are coming with a BTC is coming with a ritual program for 3 months, and it's also coming with a total life transformation program of 3 months. So if you're interested, you can get in touch with us on the team, and BT is creating a lot more than what it started, and I'm so grateful for that. And I really wanted to thank my team, everybody who was in my team, Ritu, Parita, Raseshwari, who started with us, and then my team, Umesh, Shivangi, who's my current team, Sonali, Dhruv, for all the support wouldn't have been possible without all of them, and would have been possible without all of you guys supporting me. and all my friends, Anika ji, Shalini, everybody who had been supporting me for this, and all my guests who had this heart and the courage to come and show up on these talk shows. Thank you, and thank you again. So, looking forward to, I won't take much of your time. I just wanted to come here and personally take this closure and say thank you to each one of you for the future, and hopefully, see you very in near future. And do keep tuned to this page, as we would be coming with a lot of surprises, a lot of other programs, and lot of stuff which will open your different possibilities for you, and which you haven't always asking. So BTC is purely about be the change, and leader lies within you, the celebrity lies within you. So never give up, never give in, never quit. Keep going, keep following your heart, and be the celebrity in the world. Awesome. Thank you so much. And here I take a leave from this talk show, and see you soon. And do keep following 1111 Insta on Be the Change by Aradhana, and there every morning. And we have been following with other facilitators, and a lot more coming on under the BTC umbrella. So keep following us, and thank you for all your support. Bye bye.